What's up guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I'll show you how to claim a EU.CC domain for free for your personal use. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any future giveaway updates. We are about to hit 10,000 subscribers and you are most welcome. Now, back to the topic. To claim today's giveaway, search on Google for Gname. Visit the official website at gname.com, usually the first result in your search. Unfortunately, gname.com isn't available in my country, so I'm going to use a VPN. Connect to any European country. I would recommend the United Kingdom. Create an account on the gname.com website. For this demonstration video, I will be using a temporary email address to show you how to set up everything. You can use your own email address if you prefer. Confirm your email address and activate your account. Go to the following giveaway page as shown on your screen. Search for your domain to check if it is available or not. Immediately, you will get 3 free coupons in your account. In the search results, choose the option that says yourdomain.eu.cc and click on Register. Click on Pay Now to complete the free purchase. Enter your personal information, or to protect your privacy, you can type any random details. It doesn't matter as they aren't going to verify this information. Finally, we can claim the free purchase of our domain. Now you can verify all your domain info like DNS address, validity, and other details from the account management settings. If you found this video valuable, please like it and share it with your friends as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.